every single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi, I'm Jaisal Saira B. Alvaran from Math 233 Engineering Data Analysis Irregular A. For the cumulative distribution function for discrete random variables, ang napili kong example is the example number 1. So, ang example number 1, a computer shop carries drives with sizes 1, 2, 4, 8, or 16 gigabytes or GB. The table gives the probability distribution of X as the amount of memory in a purchased drive. So, eto yon. Ang random variable X ay yung sizes of different drives. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 GB. So, yung f of x natin, siya yung corresponding probability niya. So, for 1, 0.05, 2, 0.10, sa 4, 0.35, and sa 8, 0.40, and 16, 0.10. So, para makompute natin yung cumulative distribution function ng x, dinedenote kasi natin yung probability niya ng f of x. To solve the cumulative distribution function of x, let's say f of 1. So, saan natin nakuha f of 1 na to? Ang cumulative distribution function kasi, dinedenote siya ng f of x. So, para masolve yung sa f of 1, which is ito, is equals to p of x less than or equal to 1 is equals to the probability of x is equals to 1 and ang corresponding value nun is 0.05. So, for 2, f of 2 is equals to p of x less than or equal to 2 is equals to the probability of x is equals to 1 or 2. So, ang gagawin natin dito, pag-a-addin natin. So, probability of 1 plus the probability of 2 is equals to probability ng 1 natin, 0.05 plus probability ng 2, 0.10. Pag pinag-add siya is 0.15. So, para sa f of 3 natin, ganun lang din siya. Pag-a-addin lang din natin. So, p of x greater than, less than or equal to 3 is equals to p of x is equals to 1 or 2. For our f of 4 is equals to p of x is less than or equal to 4 is equals to p of x is equals to 1 or 2 or 4. May or, yung or kasi dinedenote niya ay addition sa principle ng or and. So, is equals to the probability of 1, p of 1 natin, plus p of 2 plus the probability of our 4 is equals to 0.05 plus 0.10 is equals to 0.15. So, plus natin yung 0.15 plus ang probability ng 4 dito, 0.35. 0.5. So, 0.5 yung sagot natin dito. For our f of 8, kasi yun yung kasunod, so f of 8 is equals to p of x is less than or equal to 8 is equals to p of x is equals to 1 or 2 or 4 or next 8 is equals to the p of 1 natin or probability of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 4 plus p of 8 natin. Ang makuha natin sagot, 0.5 plus 0.40 equals to 0.9. 0.9 or 0.90. Lastly, yung ating 16. So, f of 16 is equals to p of x is less than or equal to 16 is equals to p of x is equals to 1 or 2 or 4 or 8 or 16 is equals to p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 4 plus our p of 8 and lastly our p of 16. So, ang sagot dito is 1. For any random variable x or yung value ng x natin na ibibigay, ang magiging probability niya ay yung pinakamalapit na value to the left. Para sa 0, let's say x is less than 1. For 0.05, 1 is less than or equal to x but less than 2. For 0.15, 2 is less than or equal to x but less than 4. So, for 0.50, 4 is less than or equal to x but less than 8. For 0.90, 8 is less than or equal to x but less than 16. For 16 is less than or equal to x. Halimbawa, ang binigay sa atin na value is 6.59. Or let's say f of 6.59 is equals to the probability or p of x is less than or equal to 6.59. Dito siya papasok sa 0.35. Kasi, ang kukunin natin is yung value nga na pinakamalapit siya to the left. So, eto yon. Ang giging probability niya is 0.35. Ngayon, i-create na natin yung ating cumulative distribution function. So, CDF. So, f of x is equals to, sulat ngayon natin yung cumulative na nakuha natin kanina, cumulative na probability. So, let's start with 0, 0.05, 0.15, 0.5 or 50, 0.10, 0.90 and ating 1. Para mag-graph yung ating nakuhang cumulative distribution function, ang gagamitin natin is yung nakuha nating probability. Let's say, ang ating y-axis, ito ang ating f of x. And itong sa baba, ating x-axis, ito yung ating nakuhang, ito ang ating random variable x. So, let's say, ito yung 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So, dito naman sa may f of x natin, ito yung nakuha natin kanina. Itong 0. Let's say, ito yung 0.05 natin. 0.05. Ito yung ating 0.15. Ito ang ating 0.50. Ito ang ating 0.9. And ito yung 1 natin. Let's start with 1. So, dito tayo mag-start sa 1 hanggang, ang nakalagay dito, less than or equal to x, but less than 2. Meaning nun, dito lang siya mag-i-stop bago mag-2. Hindi siya pwedeng sumakto dito kasi hindi na siya magiging compatible dito sa nakuha nating cumulative distribution function. So, hanggang dito lang siya. Para naman sa ating 0.15, ang halagay dito, 2 is less than or equal to x, but less than 4. So, dito tayo mag-start sa 2. And, mag-i-stop din siya bago mag-4. So, para sa 0.15 natin, mag-start tayo sa 4 less than or equal to x, but less than 8. So, hanggang dito lang din siya bago mag-8. For our 0.90, 8, let's start with 8. Dito. It's less than or equal to x, but less than 16. So, less than or equal to x, mag-stop din siya bago mag-16. Lastly, for our 1, 16 is less than or equal to x. So, mag-start tayo sa 16 and so on. Lagyan nating arrow kasi less than or equal to x lang. Hindi niya sinabing less than x. So, lagyan natin arrow kasi pwede pang magka-value siya. And pasok pa din siya sa nakuha natin cumulative distribution function.